So this is the Nrsimha temple you can see, which is just open, and all the temples are closed. This is the Nrsimha temple up near the Gundicha temple, and you can see the Gundicha temple, mountain of Gundicha temple. Beside the Gundicha temple, there is Nrsimha temple. So when Indradhamna, he first made this temple of Lord Nrsimhadev. After that, he prayed to Nrsimhadev. After that, Jagannath temple was built up. So this is the first temple of Puri. You can see this is the temple of Lord Nrsimhadev. That was the temple. This is the temple of Lord Nrsimhadev. You can see. And beside this temple, there is the temple of Gundicha Mandir. This is the Nrsimha temple. You can see. Hari Bol. And after that, we will go to Puri Jagannath temple. Hari Bol. And we are now going to Puri Jagannath temple. You can see. And we are going by this rickshaw, and this Moza is pulling the rickshaw. And you can see we are inside this rickshaw. Yes, you can see. We are going by this rickshaw. You can see me. Hello. Yes. We are going through this rickshaw to this Puri temple. And you know, this is the grand road of Puri, which is a really wide road. The grand road of Puri is very, very wide road. You can see we are going by this rickshaw to Jagannath temple. The Jagannath temple is here, you can see. And the place is fully rushed. We have to park the vehicle of around 2 kilometers from the Jagannath temple in a parking lot. This is the Gaudiya Vaishnava temple. You can see the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, Goswami Thakur is the birthplace of the Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. You can see the place, and just like 500 meters the Puri temple can be seen, and you can see the Nila Chakra of the Puri temple. It's very, very beautiful. It's the land of Lord Jagannath, you can see. And there are different hotels over here. You can see this is a Hotel Sri Hari Grand Pure Veg restaurant. It's totally veg and without also onion garlic, you can see there. It's Anand Bhojanalaya. All the Bhojanalayas are here. And in some time you can see the Puri, which is fully protected by the security forces. Haribol. You can see, yes, the Hotel Grand. It's the hotel of our Puri Maharaj. You can see the hotel, which is a pure veg restaurant without onion garlic. And this has the come, and it's the Puri Jagannath temple, and the rickshaw is moving very fast, I can tell you. And this is, you can see the Puri temple. It's the park of Puri temple, which has changed completely over years. Our Naveen Patnaik has changed this place to a very beautiful place, you can see, which is totally green. Nothing is allowed inside now, and everything is closed because of COVID-19. But you can see the beauty of the Puri temple, which is always beautiful, which is always beyond imagination. And yes, we can see our Patavan. You can see also our mother is here. You can see they are going, and you can see there is some fight has taken place, but not to worry. This is the land of Jagannath, so everything is forgiven here. You can see the temple, which is very beautiful. Yes, you can take the darshan of our Nila Chakra, which is a most beautiful place, the Puri. Ultimately we are here, and in some time we are landing off in Puri Jagannath temple. Hari Bol. You can see the Lord Jagannath temple. You can see also the Nila Chakra of the Patavan, and the Patavan flag is also here. And you can see also Lord Patitapavan is also here. And the Leela Patitapavana Lord Jagannath is really beautiful, you can see. And this is the cooking house of Lord Jagannath, you can see. And even the Leela of the cooking house is also extremely beautiful, you can see the temple of Lord Jagannath. Prasad that is coming from Lord Jagannath temple. They are bringing the prasad from inside now. You can see the beautiful place of the Puri. You can see also the Aruna Stambh is here. You can see the beautiful place Puri. Hari Bol and Jai Jagannath.